Hey everyone, I have a modern classic cocktail for you today, the Trinidad Sour, which was actually only invented in 2009. So that's actually super new as far as cocktails are concerned, especially for it to be already considered a classic. Now, mine is going to be just a little bit different than the actual official modern classic cocktail of a Trinidad Sour. So just keep that in mind. So this is going to be a shaken cocktail. We're going to have our shaker tin. Make sure we have our jigger so that way we have a balanced cocktail. That's what I'm looking for. Balanced. We are going to need our Hawthorne strainer as well as our mesh strainer because we will be using fresh juice. As always, the ingredients are going to be listed below so you can build the cocktail with me. So we are going to have our fresh lemon juice, simple syrup, our Orgeat, Angostura Bitters, and then your favorite brand of rye whiskey. So to start out with this one, we are going to do 0.75 ounces of our fresh lemon juice, not lime juice, my goodness. And then we are going to do 0.25 ounces of simple. So this is where mine is going to be just a little different. I'm adding simple to mine, whereas the classic does not. We're going to do 1 ounce of Orgeat. Woo! Maybe a little more. And then we're going to do 0.75 ounces of Angostura Bitters. So I know that's going to seem super large, but I promise it goes really, really well with this cocktail. And then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of our favorite rye whiskey. So a couple different variations here. Then we're going to add ice to our shaker tin. Filling it up with ice. Make sure we have that on nice and tight, and of course, shake away. Until that tin is nice and ice cold in your hand. So we are going to put on our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer. This is going to go in a coupe glass. This is a absolutely stunning color because of all of that Angostura that we put in. And then for this one, I'm going to do a lemon peel. You can do a lemon twist as well. So for this one, we're going to express this over the top, and then I'm going to just give it a light little twist here to make it a little fancier so it's kind of like a twist. And then I'm going to just kind of set that on the rim there. And there she is, your modern Trinidad Sour. Until the next pour, guys, and don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you gave this one a try. Can't wait to hear from you. Cheers!